Okay, how to use this microwave. I've never used a microwave without numbers on it, and I don't know how this is going to work. Oh no. 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 Off. No. No. What? On. I want that on. I just want to heat. Reheat? Oh no. I don't know how long it's in for. It just says reheat plate. My food is in there. It is currently being cooked, and I don't know for how long. This may not be good. There's an auto cook button. Wait. I don't know what that would do. I've never used a microwave that is like this. Most of them have a number, and you just put in the number of minutes you want. I wanted to heat it up for a minute, but this thing isn't letting me. Not warm enough. Okay. What if we try this auto cook? Auto cook. Enter food type. Holy crap. What kind of food? Chicken? Fresh? Canned? Sweet potato? No? No? Where's the ravioli? There's no Chef Boyardee option on this microwave. Gonna try something else. We could just do the reheat, but I want to figure this microwave out. Convection bake, convection roast. There are so many options. It's even got an options button. I think I pressed that by accident. I can turn the beep, change the beeper volume. Display language. I can turn the display off. Display speed. Measures. What does that mean? Default metric? Default? Huh. I think default. Well, this microwave is gonna get screwed up. Micro Express. Cook time. Oh, that was the button I wanted. Is this in seconds or minutes? This is an incredibly inefficient way of doing this. I want to cook it for 45 seconds. Probably only 30 now. I got it. We did it. It is cook time button. I'm sure that was pretty obvious if you were watching, but I couldn't find that button and it was driving me crazy. If you couldn't tell by now, I am not at my house because I know how to use a microwave. Okay? I know how to use a microwave. Trust me. Alright. I think it's good enough. It doesn't matter. Chef Boyardee tastes good cold. That's not true. It tastes really gritty. For some reason, SpaghettiOs taste good cold. I can eat SpaghettiOs straight from the can and they taste just like they would if you were to microwave them. But Chef Boyardee has a real grittiness when you're just taking it out of the can and eating it. And I don't like it like that. So if you're ever in a situation where you just need a canned food that you don't need to heat up, SpaghettiOs will do it. If you do want to heat up the food, or if you can heat it up, Chef Boyardee definitely a better option. No, Jack. Where's Jack? That's Jack. Right there. Say hi, Jack. So it turns out I shot all of that in the dark when there's actually a light switch right here. Then there's a fan. Don't want the fan, just want the light. That switch. That's Maz, if you couldn't see. Maz is thirsty. And I am hungry, so. Okay, like I said, I'm pet sitting for my aunt. I am at her house watching her 3 dogs and 2 cats. And one of them's right here. Jack is right there. There's Jack. He's a little puppy. He is less than a year old. I've never met him before yesterday, but he's a fun dog. He found the TV remote. I think he likes TV a lot because he had a great time with this remote. And now it's going to make my life to watch TV a little more difficult. But that's alright. More time to spend with Jack, right? Is that why you chewed up the remote? So that I would pet you. It's destroyed completely. The power button completely gone. One of the batteries is he took a really good bite out of that battery. Jack, I think you ate battery acid. Not a smart decision. Dogs these days. So stupid. Those weird noises aren't me, I swear. If you hear any weird noises, it is a dog. It's Maz, the really, really old one. Right there. He is the source of any weird noises you've been hearing. It's not me making weird noises that I know of. It is probably the dog. I'm not sure if I like this sort of more vlog format. I miss recording in my studio where I have control of lighting, and the microphone will definitely make my voice sound a lot better. But it's different. I'm not sure if I will continue this. Let me know if you enjoyed this type of video. If you did, please like it and let me know that you liked it. So that's all I got for today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.